Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Madhushmita and you are welcome to Dio Wallet. So today in this video we are not going to talk about makeup or skincare specifically, but we are going to talk about beauty supplements. Yes, I'm a firm believer that not only skincare products will do the job, like whatever skin problems you have will go away with skincare, but all there are so many factors including sleep, food cycle, lifestyle, everything. So to make your life easier, there are beauty supplements as well, and don't worry, they are well tested, they are dermatologist tested. So today in this video, the supplements that I'm going to talk about are from Chic Nutrix. So this is the package where I received the supplements. I love the packaging. I mean, it's a cute pink box, so girly. So yeah, I really like it, and I have used this box to keep all my mascaras and all my eye makeup stuff. So very handy. Thank you so much. So they did send me their supplements 3 months back, that is in the month of March, before the lockdown was started. So I was just trying and testing it out for around 3 months now, and finally I'm ready to give my honest opinion about it. If you are interested to know my honest review about it, then please continue watching. Let me just give you a slight idea about this brand. So this brand is specifically made in India and owned by Indian people as well. Most importantly, the brand is run by women. So yeah, woman empowerment means the brand knows what exactly a woman needs, like what intake it needs, what vitamins it needs. So everything is very precisely curated in all those supplements. Yeah, so what I meant is it's absolutely safe to use these supplements, and trust me, they are vegan, they are 100% vegan, so you don't have to worry about it. Our dermatologist tested as well. They gave me 2 supplements. One is their Super C, and then this is the Bounce. So basically the Bounce is for your hair and the Super C is for your skin. Let's talk about this particular product, that is their Bounce, and it's their hair recovery complex biotin. That means it has biotin in it. So the flavor is raspberry, so if you love raspberries or berries in general, you are definitely gonna love it. So these are effervescent tablets. So basically you just have to put it in a normal water, and it is going to fizz. Like, I'm just going to insert a video. One packet you are getting 20 tablets. Yeah, I think only 3 are left, which is going to get over soon as well. And I have seen all the ingredients, and all the ingredients are pretty genuine for your hair. Like, they are very good for your hair. Some of them are vitamin B7, that is your biotin. Then there is sodium silicate. That biotin is the best vitamin for to grow your hair faster. So मैं इसको daily intake नहीं करती थी because I also have to take the Super C as well. So alternatively I used to take, or sometimes मैं भूल भी जाती थी. But anyways, here we are. The review of this Bounce. I have noticed by using this particular tablet for 3 months is that my hair felt very nourished. You guys can see I have curls and I have my wavy hair, so it's very difficult to manage as well. I tried straightening a year back, so that's the reason why my curls are getting back, so it's very difficult to manage at this point of time. So I really felt that the roughness of my hair has reduced drastically, and I can see the nourishment, like it's very soft and very bouncy as well, because I have very thin hair. Like, literally I have the thinnest hair in my family, and as you can see, it just add the volume. Mind you guys, it has been almost 6 months that I have not changed my hair care routine at all. Like the same shampoo, the same conditioner, same everything. I have not changed anything in my hair care routine. I can 100% say that I have noticed volume and shine in my hair. Coming to hair fall, it does mention that it is going to reduce your hair fall, but however I have not seen like a drastic change in this 3 months. I have only used around 18 tablets, so maybe that's the reason why I haven't seen any changes in hair fall. Yeah, I really can't say, but maybe after finishing one more bottle of it, maybe I can notice. I have to buy a bottle to see if the hair fall thing works or not, but overall I'm really impressed with the product. It really gave shine and volume to my hair, and my hair is softer. Now let's just come to this particular tablet. This is their Super C with amla extract and zinc. It has natural vitamin C for skin protection. Now if you're following me for a very long time, you would know how much I love vitamin C. Like, vitamin C is just my favorite vitamin out of everything, because vitamin does give you glow, it reduces pigmentation, dullness whatsoever. Really excited to try this out. And the flavor is fizzy orange. Yes, it exactly tastes like orange as well. Citric, thoda sa khatta and all hai. Glucose jaisa hi taste hai iska, but it's definitely better than glucose. So these are very gentle to your stomach. Like I have a very sensitive stomach, guys. I cannot eat Chinese as well. For me, I didn't face any kind of side effects or stomach burns or whatsoever. It has natural amla extract. That means it's very good if you have premature fine lines or anything, because it just boosts your natural collagen in your body. So hence it's very good for fine lines, dullness, pigmentation, acne whatsoever. Vitamin C does give you protection from sun as well, like the harmful UV rays. It also has zinc, which is also a very good ingredient for acne as well. So it is definitely gonna help to, you know, prevent you from acne breakouts. Like I won't say that it is going to clear your acne or something, but it's definitely gonna help you in reducing the acne breakouts. I have acne prone skin and I do break out every now and then, and you can see आज भी मेरा breakout हुआ है. Like today itself it did, because this is over, only one is left, so I have to be very careful right now. Coming to the review, it does have 20 tablets as well. It's same as the Bounce one. Meal के पहले I used to take this like either before dinner, before breakfast or before lunch. जब भी मुझे मन करे I do it, or sometimes even snacks time I have this cravings to drink cold drinks or something to drink. I used to drink this one. You know, helps me in controlling the thirst. Specifically, it has vitamin C. That means it's very good for immunity. And we are in a situation where we have to be very careful about immunity as well. Like we have to make ourselves very strong so that we won't catch COVID. For that, this is a very good preventive measure that you can take, is to intake this vitamin C. Yeah, so it's very important to give your body that vitamins, that nutrients that you'll need to protect yourself. Overall, I really like this. For me, what I felt was that my skin was glowing. I really felt that I did have a within glow, and you guys have also seen that glow. And मैंने बहुत बार स्टोरी में भी डाला है that, you know, I'm drinking this, I'm drinking that. Acne breakouts, I felt yes, it does help. It really helps in reducing your acne breakouts as well. In summer, like March में तो, you know, summer होना start हो गया, and in summer I used to break out just like anything, like literally just like anything. And I started taking the vitamin C one, and I've noticed like this summer मतलब बिल्कुल भी ब्रेकआउट नहीं हुआ है. लाइक आई थिंक 1 से 2 पिंपल हुआ था, बट इट्स कम्प्लीटली ओके. बट बहुत ज़्यादा ब्रेकआउट नहीं हुआ है. सो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू द सुपर सी. I would 100% recommend you guys to try these tablets out. And if you want to buy, you can buy from their official website, that is www.chicnutrix.com. If you are going to use my code, you are going to get 15% off on your order, on the full orders. So yeah, do use my code to enjoy some discount. This is not a sponsored video, guys. My honest review about these two products. So yeah, so if you want to try something new and add some vitamins in your life, I'm very choosy when it comes to food, when it comes to vegetables. So it's very important for me to take these kind of nutrients. If you are choosy like me in foods, in vegetables, you know, you don't eat a lot of vegetables, then these supplements are going to be your ride or die for you. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video and my review, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.